down where reason stood.
Imagination carves the air,
And every breath becomes a prayer.
the sun and moon exchange their names. The fool and sage are both the same.
Through living fire and holy pain,
The soul returns to love again. In the furnace of vision I am free. Boundless light consumes the sea. Through the window of the soul I climb, breaking the clockwork wings of time.
energy is eternal delight.
Creation born from sacred fight.
He who restrains desire does so in vain.
The stars themselves are forged from pain.
Jerusalem rises in human form.